Alright, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a follow-up to my last video on EA Optimizer or EA Enhancer app on this website. Okay, so the last time I did a demonstration on how to optimize your EA or how to add better features, how to improve a losing EA. Okay, for instance, so I want to show us before and after on the MetaTrader so that you can see exactly what is added. Okay, so I'm going to be using, okay, first and foremost, let me open my optimizer page. Already I'm logged in, so I'll open my page. Okay, so this is the form I want to use. So let me show you what I want to use. Okay, I'm going to be using this particular EA. Alright, so you see what it has. It has all these. This is supposed to be a good EA, but only that it blows account once in a while. So you can see what is there at this moment. Okay, so I already have this EA opened up in my meta editor. This is it. Okay, so I'll copy this. I copy these. I go to that page. Sorry, I go to the page. I paste here because it's MT5. Okay, now I won't even give it any suggestions because I want it to analyze. Okay, and give me suggestions on what to add. Okay, so analyzed, no stop loss, implementation detected, missing trade management logic, no error, and all those things. Okay, those are the things that was detected. Okay, so I want to add because I said it blows account, you know, after some time. I'm going to add news filter. I'm going to add profit protection. Those are losses on profit when trade reaches certain level. And then I don't want to trade too much. I will add daily trade limits. Then I'm going to add okay, probably trading sessions. So let me add those 4 parameters to this EA. So I ask it to generate the optimized EA. When it does, I try to compile it. If it goes without error, then perfect. If it doesn't, I will fix the error here. Okay, this is one of very powerful app to use. I've actually not seen something like that before actually. This excites me the moment I saw it, so I'm going to just show you how it works. Okay, so waiting for it to release my EA now, so just wait a little. Alright, EA optimized successfully. Okay, so here is my code. Here's my code here. So already you can see it added the parameters. So let's check it. Let's compile first. So I copy the code. You can actually download and open it, but since I've opened this, so I want to just replace this directly with this. Okay, F7 will compile. Okay, F7 will compile. Sorry for that. Okay, compilation going on. Okay, so this is interesting. I have 11 errors. Let me copy the errors. Okay, this is actually beautiful. I want to show you how to fix errors in case sometimes there are compilation errors. So I've copied the errors. I'm going to paste the errors in the error box, compilation error message box. Okay, I'll paste the code itself. I'll paste the code itself here. Then, okay, I'll paste the code there. Then choose MT5 or MT5. Okay, I'll ask it to fix. Alright, so again, I have fixed code. The code has been fixed and ready for compilation in MetaTrader. So I copy this. I'll copy that. Paste again. Delete what is there. Okay, then paste. Click F7. Voila, perfect. No more errors. Okay, so I'm actually pleased that this came out with an error and we're able to solve it. So this has been compiled. I'll go back to my MT5 to show you the same. Okay, so I want to refresh this a little, refresh this and open the same expert advisor on MT5 to show you how it has added the parameters. Okay, so you can see now this same indicator, the same expert advisor. Now you have trading sessions. You can choose which trade session you want to trade. Okay, you can choose any one you want to trade. Then you can choose maximum daily trades, profit lock. You can choose. So these are the new parameters that we added for this EA. So normally, if you can get your settings right, this should work perfectly and work better than the former one. Thank you so much. I'll see you again.